Hello my alien students, welcome back. So actually today what we're going to do, I'm going to teach you, it's a trailer for a movie. Open and download. Okay, I'm going to teach you in this series of videos the correct procedure. It's been actually a request. I've been receiving this request like let's say 100 times. John, can you please help me in work sharing? Okay, so what I'm going to teach you now, let's say in the series coming videos, how to master work sharing, collaborate procedure step by step. And ACI is going to teach you this. In ACI, in the sense, me, Autodesk certified instructor. Okay, so sit back, enjoy this series of videos coming up on how to do work sharing. What's the meaning of centralized within? What's the meaning of reload? What is the meaning of relinquish all mine? Okay, work sets, whatever coming up, step by step procedure. Okay, so what I want you to do is sit back, enjoy the series of videos coming up for work sharing, step by step procedures to do work sharing. Okay, take care, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.